I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamati, and it's so good to have you here. And today I have one multitasking makeup product that's gonna make your makeup game a lot easier. This is the Multipot from Love Earth. This is actually their lip and cheek tint, and you also can use this as eyeshadow. They have beautiful shades. I'm wearing it right now. Actually, the shade Never Look Back. I think this is so pretty and this is so good. It doesn't like feel heavy. It feels nourishing. It gives this creamy matte look, and it's so easy to blend. It has very good ingredients like jojoba oil, it has almond oil, castor oil, vitamin E, and also natural waxes like bee wax, candelier wax. With all these amazing ingredients and formulation, this is really affordable. You get 8 grams of product for $5.99, but Love Earth, they give really good discount on their products, and this is also available on my Hype store. Use the code GETHYPE to get additional 40% off on all the Love Earth products, and I really think you're gonna love this. This is really awesome, really convenient. You can carry it everywhere with you. Super easy to use. I mean, if you don't like too much makeup, you need simple things to brighten up your skin, you just want to look better with minimal effort, then this can be a very good option. Now let me show you the swatches and how I use this. Alright, here I'm going to show you all the shades that I have and the application. So the first shade is this one, Be The Change. It is a beautiful coral pink color. You can apply this by using your fingers. Also, you can use brushes. Personally, I like to use my finger to apply this. I use this on my lips, on my cheeks, and on my eyelids. Very easy to use, like I told you. Super easy to blend. It has rich pigmentation, and also the ingredients like jojoba oil is gonna nourish the skin. Just look how pretty it looks. The next shade is Never Look Back, and this is my most favorite shade. This is a beautiful everyday pink shade, and the color is very much buildable. It doesn't look patchy. And all these Multipots, they have this chocolate vanilla scent, which is kinda mild, and yeah, really like this one. This shade, Watch Me Stay, is a very beautiful nude brown shade. Again, very wearable. You can use this every day. And it feels super light, keeps your skin moisturized all day long. It's really makeup meets skincare. If you want a little bit more bold color, then go for this one. This is pink from inside. Very beautiful purple pink shade, and because the pigmentation is very much buildable, you can add more layers if you want for a more intense shade. And here you can see all the shades. So yeah, I hope you found this to be helpful, and do not forget to use the code GETHYPE to get additional 40% off. Along with lip and cheek tints, Love Earth also has good lipsticks, liquid lipsticks. You also can check those things. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.